In this tutorial, we're going to transform a PDF into editable text directly in Microsoft Word, making it super easy to work with your documents. Start by opening Microsoft Word, then navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the window. From there, locate the text section, click Object on the drop-down menu, select Text from File. Next, browse through your folders and find the PDF you want to convert. Once you've selected it, click Insert. Word will display a message letting you know that it will convert your PDF into an editable Word document. Depending on the size and complexity of your PDF, this process may take a few moments. The resulting document will be optimized for editing, so you'll be able to make changes right away. Keep in mind that if your original PDF contained many graphics, charts, or intricate formatting, the Word version might look slightly different. Simply click OK, and Word will begin transferring the text from your PDF into your new document. And just like that, your PDF content is now editable in Microsoft Word, ready for revisions, updates, or repurposing in any way you need. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.